Welcome to our tutorial on how to unlock WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you've set up App Lock on WhatsApp Web and now need to disable it, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To unlock WhatsApp Web, first, click on the three dots located in the top right corner to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy section. Then, click on App Lock to access the App Lock settings. To disable the App Lock feature, simply deselect the App Lock option by clicking on it. If prompted, enter your password for verification purposes to confirm your identity. Once you've entered your password, click on OK to finalize the process. This action will disable the App Lock feature on WhatsApp Web. Congratulations! You have successfully unlocked WhatsApp Web on your PC by turning off the App Lock feature. With these simple steps, you can regain access to your WhatsApp conversations without the additional security of App Lock. We hope this tutorial has been informative and has guided you through unlocking WhatsApp Web. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience.